chicky chicky chum chum chicky 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 chum chicky 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 chum chum chicky chicky chum chicky chicky.
Start.
Good morning to all. My name is Hamza. I am studying 9th class in ZPHS Viruvali. My career guidance teacher name is Mrs. Deepti ma'am. Today I will tell about careers in the family. My grandfather career in farmer. My grandmother career in shopkeeper. My father career in farmer. My mother career is farmer. My uncle career in shopkeeper. My aunt career in lawyer. My uncle career in Tyler, my aunt career in teacher. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Yosna. I am studying in 9th class in ZPHS Viruvali. My career guidance teacher's name is Deepti ma'am. Today I explain about my career in my family. My grandfather's career is agriculture. My grandmother's career is farmer. My uncle's career is farmer. My aunt's career is housewife. My uncle's career is bank manager. My aunt's career is housewife. My mother's career is housewife. My father's career is auto driver. And my future goal is become a teacher. Thank you.
Start.
Good morning everyone, my name is Anusri. I am studying in 9th class in ZPHS Viruvali. My career guidance teacher name is Miss Deepti ma'am. Today my introduction is my family. My grandfather's career is farmer. My grandmother's career is agriculture labor. My uncle's career is mechanic. My aunt's career is agriculture labor. My uncle's career is auto driver. My aunt's career is agriculture labor. My father's career is farmer. My mother's career is agriculture labor. My career future goal is I want to become a lawyer.
Chicky 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 chum chum chicky 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 chum chicky 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 chum